Welcome to a new chapter for data entry specialists, where technology doesn't replace your talent, it amplifies it. Imagine a workday where repetitive tasks are effortlessly managed by AI, freeing you to focus on thoughtful analysis and strategic decision-making. This course guides you through practical strategies and hands-on tutorials designed to integrate powerful AI tools into your everyday workflow, transforming tedious data entry into a dynamic process that elevates your role. As you work through engaging video modules and clear step-by-step guides, you'll learn to automate routine tasks and significantly reduce errors. The training empowers you to shift away from the monotonous and dive into work that challenges your creativity while boosting your efficiency. With every module, you build the skills to navigate modern tools and techniques that ensure you stay at the forefront of your field. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase your earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. These credentials are more than just a badge of achievement. They are a testament to your commitment to evolving your career and adapting to the changing demands of your industry. If you're ready to transform your work experience and secure a more rewarding professional future, discover all the AI for Data Entry Specialists training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.